If you are looking for an amazing Nugget ice machine, you are absolutely going to love this. I've been using this about a week now. Absolutely love Nugget ice. And if you were looking for a great Nugget ice machine, you are absolutely going to love this. Let me show you exactly how it works and a little bit more about this. All right, to get started, we just wash this out really quickly. What you want to do here, we're just going to fill this up with water. You could use a measuring cup if you want and just pour it in the back as well. You don't want to go past the max fill line. Really like the fact that this just pops off really easily. All right, we filled up the water tank right over here. Now all we got to do is put it in here. Just really easy to do. You want to just make sure it is pushed in and secure, just like that, and you are good to go. All right, so we have it filled up, literally just plugged it in. We're gonna hit this on button right over here and it's gonna start making the ice. It typically takes about 15 minutes to make the ice. You could make 44 pounds of ice in a day. Not that I need 44 pounds of ice in a day, but it is nice to know it could do that. This is what it looks like from the side right over here. Doesn't take up a lot of space at all, which is another reason I like this. It's going to be 16.93 inches this way. It's going to be also back, and this right over here is going to be 10.63 inches. It does have auto clean, which is really nice as well. It has this removable tray right here, so if you want to remove that, you could do that. But really nice. I'm going to show you what the ice looks like in a second. All right, so you can see here, our ice is now ready right over here. On that full tank back there, we're able to get up to the 2 line. This means it's pretty full. We'll go all the way up to here, which means it's very full. All you gotta do is pull down this handle, or just like that, and it's gonna start to dispense the Nugget ice, just like that. This ice looks absolutely amazing. You got that nice blue light as well down here to kind of make sure you can see when you're pouring your ice. Really cool. Awesome ice machine. We'll be using this a ton. Already love it. If you're looking for an amazing ice machine that's easy to use, literally you just put water in it and hit go and you are good to go. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I can do this review.